Hi, then I'll show you how to use Excel to estimate the logistic regression equation. So here's a question. You can spend some minute to read through the question. So a bank would like to increase the number of customers who use payroll deposit. So they have the data of customer with balance and who sign up for direct deposit and have value of 1 here, otherwise 0, and the balance is $100. So the question is how to use this data to build a logistic regression. So here's thing we need the equation we need the logis be equal this beta 0 plus beta 1 multiply x. You have multiple variable x1 x2, it will be beta 1 multiply x1 beta 2 plus beta 2 multiply x2 and so on, and the probability will be this equation. So in you excel to estimate beta 0 and beta 1 in this example. First we have some cell for beta 0 and beta 1. Let it be something. The teacher in class maybe use 0 here, but you can use anything you want. It doesn't matter. 9, 10, doesn't matter. You can see the logit equation here. It's a logit. Beta 0 plus beta 1 multiply x. So we can have logit equal beta 0 number of fixes plus beta 1 fixes and multiply x. X is a balance. That's the logit. And the probability is here's the formula for probability. So it has the logit, so we can use the logit value here. Is equal exp logit. Let me see. Yeah, divide by 1 plus exp logit. And we'll have the likelihood. You can use if function. So if y equal 1, we'll use the probability here. Otherwise, we'll use 1 minus the probability here. And the log likelihood will be equal ln likelihood. And we can copy all this down here. I missed something. The value is too high. We set it to 1 or 2, maybe. It's there, so we set it to 0. It's better. There's been what the problem here? So should set it 0 and 0. What? I don't know what's the 0. The value is okay. So we have the sum in the end. The sum of all the I'm going to use solver. Solver is oh, I didn't have it here, so go to 5 option, add in, Excel add in, go, click solver add in, click oh, misclick it, add in, go, solver add in, press OK. Wait for Excel to install it, and you can appear here and use it. So the objective of the regression be maximize this value, sum of log likelihood, maximize by changing beta 0 and beta 1, and we need to uncheck this and click OK, so and then OK. So here is um, the estimation for beta 0 and beta 1. We can replace here, and we done it. And that is. Bye.